Hola clase. Today we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equations when they have complex solutions. And as usual, I will give you a how-to guide step by step, and then we will make one example together. Now, you already know how quadratic equations look. They are those with a degree of 2, so they always going to have a format of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So for you to solve them, now they're going to appear complex numbers. You need to know how to work with surds, and the easiest way to solve it, you're going to have to be familiar with the quadratic formula, and then remember that complex numbers look like a plus bi, have a real part and an imaginary. Now, exercises with quadratic equations have two options. The first one, which is the best case scenario, they ask me to solve them. If not, they may take a coefficient out of it, and then I need to find it. Now, this is going to be a different video because we need to work with them a bit different. So I will put it somewhere in there when it's done, and we're going to focus on solving. So in this video, for the how-to, we only going to focus on solving, and it's your best case scenario. You just need to substitute in your quadratic formula, and that's why the quadratic formula is so handy. It works absolutely every time. So let's see that in an example. They ask me to solve this equation. Now the only difference is that now instead of using x's, they're using z's. That is a hint that tells me that I'm working with complex numbers. But the steps are the same. I just need to know the quadratic formula: minus b plus of minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, all of that divided by 2a. So in our case, if we substitute in here, minus b, and remember, a, b, and c are your coefficients. So minus b is going to be a 4, plus of minus square root of b squared, which is 16, minus 4ac, which is 24, divided by 2a, which is 2. We got the substitution done, so now we just need to simplify. So I'm going to break the fraction. 4 over 2, it's a 2, plus of minus. Now this discriminant is what's going to give me a trouble, because square root of minus 8, but now you know that that's square root of 8i, so I'm going to put it here, and all of that divided by 2. I could leave it there, but we're going to be a bit elegant, and I'm going to bring these 2 inside the surd. So remember, it's going to be the same as 8/4 inside the square root, so that's going to be a square root of 2i. Okay, it's as simple as that. I've got my 2 solutions. Let's box it, and we're done. Okay, that was all. So now it's your turn to go there and practice. Thanks for watching.